Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So this is me after washing my hair, and I've actually oiled my hair, and this is how it looks. Okay, I have really big strands of hair, so it's a bit difficult for me to really relax my hair and it's all soft. But to me, I actually really like the results of this one. My hair is oiled, and I could have gone ahead and blow dried my hair, but I'm not gonna do that because I want to just pull my hair back and use an attachment. So this is how it looks, all oiled up. And if you want to see how I do my hair or how I relax my hair on my own, then keep watching. But please hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and if you have any questions for me, leave them down in the comment section below. And I'm just gonna put a disclaimer: I'm not advising anybody to do this on their own, but I've been doing this for a very long time, and I know what I'm doing, and it's my head. It's my hair. So I really don't have a lot of attachment to hair, and I've really destroyed my hair in the past. Sometimes I do that and I just shave everything, and yeah, who knows. So if you want to see how I relax my hair on my own, then keep watching. I'm just gonna section them. I'm not really that good at this because I don't have patience, so I'm just gonna go all in, but at the end it's still gonna look nice. So this is really messy. I just try to section as much as I can. As you can see, I'm not really that good at this, but it works. It works because I've been doing this for so many years, okay? And I've destroyed my hair. I always cut my hair because I have no patience with hair. Yeah. But do not be like me. If you can, go to a hair salon, but I just cannot be bothered. And this works for me, but it doesn't mean it's gonna work for everybody. But works for me. And my hair gets really, really hard after 2 weeks again. But I try not to relax it every 2 weeks. But before the end of 2 weeks, it just looks like I haven't had a relaxer for forever. Yeah. My hair is not healthy at all. I'm actually very lucky that I still have some strands of hair on my head, because I've been really using and abusing hair relaxers for the longest time. And don't come for me in the comment section telling me how I should love myself, how I should embrace my natural curls. I do love myself, okay? And I enjoy other people keeping their natural hair, but I personally, I do not have the patience for it, because it's a whole lot of work. My sister is natural, my friends are natural, most of them, or some of them, and I like it on them. I enjoy it. I give them compliments, but everything is not for everybody, so this is just my personal preference. I don't advise anybody to go perm their hair, but I do mine. So when I do this, I just try to massage so the relaxer gets on the roots of the hair. Massage as much as possible, and my hair never get that relaxed anyways. But I find that when I relax my hair, it gives it some shine. It's a little bit softer. It's a bit more easy to deal with. I can do my slick backs. You can still do your slick backs with natural hair. That's not what I'm saying. But it saves me so much time. So, and that's what I prefer doing. I haven't relaxed my hair now for the past, I'll say 2 months, 2.5 months maybe. And I've been dragging it because this is a whole lot of a process, and sometimes I'm just too lazy to do it. So then I just wear my wigs, try to slick my hair back as as long as possible. Yeah, my hands are tired. This is cardio. And just massage, 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 and that's what I'm gonna do. Just let everything get to the roots and just work it, work it, work it, work it, work it, work it. And the relaxer is so big. I had to give some to a colleague. This is my first time actually using this one. I had to give some to a colleague of mine, because right now going to town to get a relaxer it's just hard. With corona and everything, you just want to stay at home as much as you can. So she had not relaxed her hair for so many months, and I told her I was gonna buy this, so I stopped at work and gave it to her. Gave some.
Yo. Sorry. Turn it up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Yeah. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up.
So yeah, I'm actually hungry. I'm actually hungry. So what I'm having is just a bowl of lactose free, what's it called? It's called Biola. I don't know what that's called in English. It's some kind of milk. It's some kind of milk. It's not really yogurt. It's not really milk at the same time. Yeah, but I'm just having that with some mixed nuts and chia. It looks kind of disgusting, really, but it's so tasty. So I'm just gonna let the chia sit for like a few minutes so it gets a little bit thick and gooey. It just increases in size, you know, and that's the best time to eat it. So and I usually have this for breakfast. It's just amazing. It has a lot of amazing benefits, and it will make you not feel hungry for a long time. And I have a banana as well. If you don't dance when you're eating, then you're not enjoying your food. You see how thick it is now? It soaks up all the moisture and expands and thickens up. I should actually have a little bit more Biola right now. But this is so good. And this is very healthy. I know this is a very, very casual video of me relaxing my hair, and I just got off the shower right now, and this is how my hair looks. I haven't even blow dried it. I don't think I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna let it air dry because I cannot be bothered. But my hair looks really, really manageable now. I'm just gonna insert a clip of how, or maybe a picture. You see already from the thumbnail how my hair was. I have not even combed through my hair for like 2 weeks. Okay, so the relaxer really makes my hair manageable because I have really thick strands and it's just too hard to manage. Yeah, so after relaxing, this is what it looks like, and I'm really, really happy with the results. And if I want to get that straight look, I can go ahead and blow dry and then maybe straighten it, but I'm not gonna do that at all because I just cannot be bothered. What I want to do is just pull my hair back and maybe put an attachment to it, and that's how it's gonna be. So
Yo, sorry. Turn it up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Yeah. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. When she goes dirty like a pig, all them and them watch her like a clip. Girl on fire.